So keeping these clean is important because when you connect them, disconnect them, or whatever, dirt builds up in them. When you connect it, it's going to start flowing through the hydraulic fluid, which in return is going to break these motors, seize them up, seize up the blue or black helical pumps. All that dirt's going to get transferred through anything hydraulic fluid based.
So it's not just about keeping the fittings clean and easy to connect. It's really because you don't want dirt getting in the lines.
Yeah.
There's no filters, there's no protection.
Yeah, so it's pretty much if you get dirt in these lines, you're going to contaminate the hydraulic fluid, which is it's not that big of a deal to change it. It's just it's expensive, really. It's like $150 to change for a 5-gallon jug of hydraulic fluid.
Damn, Jim.
So if you're getting dirt in it consistently, every time you do an oil change once a month, that's $100 and something bucks just wasted. And hydraulic fluid should last at least 3 years,
Wow.
not once a month.